A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant turn of events, a U.S. federal judge has raised concerns over potential investigative missteps and government misconduct in the criminal case against former FBI Director James Comey. Judge William Fitzpatrick's 24-page opinion has ordered the Justice Department to release grand jury materials, including transcripts and evidence, to Comey's defense team. This ruling comes in light of Comey's indictment, which was secured by a new federal prosecutor appointed by President Donald Trump, following the president's public calls for Comey's prosecution. Comey, who has been a frequent target of Trump since his firing during the first term, has pleaded not guilty to the charges of obstructing a congressional investigation. The former FBI chief's troubles began after he led an investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 U.S. presidential election, a move that drew the ire of the then-president. The indictment against Comey was formalized in October in a Virginia federal court, where he maintained his innocence. The defense team has raised questions regarding the legality of the prosecutor's swift appointment, which bypassed congressional approval, and has filed motions challenging the manner in which the indictment was brought forth. Judge Fitzpatrick's ruling emphasizes the need for transparency in the judicial process, stating that he identified at least 2 statements made by prosecutor Lindsay Halligan to the grand jury that could be perceived as fundamental misstatements of the law. One notable statement suggested that the grand jury was not limited to the evidence presented to them, implying that there could be additional evidence available to the government that might be used in trial. In granting access to the grand jury materials, including audio recordings of the proceedings, Judge Fitzpatrick acknowledged the extraordinary nature of this remedy, underscoring the importance of protecting the rights of the accused. As the Justice Department appeals this order, Comey's case continues to unfold amidst a backdrop of political tension and scrutiny. The implications of this case extend beyond Comey himself, as it raises questions about the integrity of the judicial process and the potential influence of political motives in legal proceedings. Meanwhile, the political landscape remains charged, with issues such as Trump's immigration policies and the tightening of investment laws following the sale of an insurer for FBI and CIA agents to a Chinese entity also capturing public attention. The White House's recent decision to lower tariffs on food items has sent a significant political signal, leaving many wondering whether shoppers will experience any tangible relief. As this story develops, the intersection of politics and justice remains a focal point for both lawmakers and the public alike. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.